For the first treat, it is Oreo Brownies. So I got a brownie mix from the store and I followed the directions on the back. Then I added some white chocolate chips. Then I poured it into the pan. Then I crushed up some Oreos and added it to the pan, and then I put them in the oven and they were done. My second treat idea is Oreo Cupcakes. I got this red velvet cupcake mix from the store and I followed the directions on the back. Few days we got to talking. With every single word I started falling farther. Then I stirred together the ingredients and poured them into the cupcake holders. Then I put them into the oven, and after I got them out of the oven, I stuck an Oreo in each one. For my last treat, it is this Oreo pudding and marshmallow thing. I put together Oreos, this marshmallow fluff, and pudding, and I just rotated in between them, and then it was done when it reached the top of the glass. That is the end of the video. Please subscribe. Goodbye!